This is Cyndy G, and in this video we are assembling the typewriter box card. And the first thing I'm going to show you here are the keys. You will notice when you look at your keys that one side here has a long tab, and then on this one it has a long tab. So you want to make sure when you lay these out to put on your inserts that you're staggering them. Short tab, long tab, short tab, long tab, so that your keys are offset from each other. Okay? Otherwise you'll have rows with your keys right behind each other. You're just going to put a small line of glue. I like to just fold one tab so that I can tuck that right up against it. And you're going to glue it just right behind the insert. And one goes here on the box part of the card. And then it has, so here's the panel for it. And then put in your space bar. Okay, so your two pieces that have the long sides make up the outside box part of your card. So we're going to go ahead and put these together. Just the one side. And then I'm going to put on some of the panels. This piece is for the sentiment on the back. And then we're going to flip it over. Okay. I'm going to put our roller on first. And then our paper. Now you can stamp your sentiment on this paper from happy birthday. I designed this for a co-worker who was retiring. I'm an administrative assistant full-time. And so one of my co-workers was retiring after 50 years, and she wanted a typewriter card. So then it goes on, and I stamped a sentiment on there for her. Okay, there is that part. Let's go ahead and get this put together. We've got our keys. Now this part, it would be helpful to have a fine tip glue bottle. I'm going to make sure to get glue at the top and bottom so these don't get stuck on anything. And then just a few around the center. And then this is just going to glue right in the middle of this piece. And then this piece goes on to the back insert. We just have this small kind of abstract flower. And fold your tabs. Okay. Now we know this one's the back. So let's go ahead and put some glue on this tab. Lay it right up against the back of the card. Fold it over. Now you have to look at the height of these. You want to go, obviously, the highest in the back to the shortest in the front. And lay this in front of that piece. Now the next one. Lay it right in front of that one. I have been an administrative assistant for 28 years. So I do not plan on working 50 years like my coworker. That takes a special kind of person who stays in one job for 50 years. There we are. Now you just want to put glue on these tabs and fold that over and glue them into place, okay? So let's go ahead and get some glue on each tab. Not too much because you don't want to glue your card shut, but you do want enough so that they hold. And then we'll just put glue right here on this tab and close the card up. And fold it back the other way. And there it is, the typewriter box card. Thank you for joining me.